Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Now, today we can take a short session on Journey Builder. What is it, Journey Builder? It is very important things. First, when you can also note down this, and again we will do step by step, need to do the practical and Journey Builder. It is one of the most important things because whatever all are connected, whatever we have done earlier, what is the purpose of it? The purpose of that to be a digital marketer. Yes, I can see that on the digital market. Digital marketer. Journey Builder is a marketing cloud's premier campaign planning and execution tool. You can note down it as a Journey Builder is a definition. It is a marketing cloud premier campaign planning and execution tool. What it is? Suppose you are looking different conditions when you are sending it is a campaign is happening. Normally what we have just noticed, we have sent mail. It is going to mail or it is getting failed. But it is required if you want to attend your customer, not read mail. You need to send that next time. Yes or no? Then you need to send another few weeks. Yes or no? Yes. Because first time when you are sending the mail in this through email cloud, it may happen. Customers have skipped that may not opened, next time even also opened, but due to hurry up, not noticed properly. Again, yes, your intention in a business or mission, intention to meet customers, understand. The thing is it is not like that if you purchase or not purchase. I want to share once to even long years back. There is a one gold shop. I have gone with my wife that day. They noted my phone number. It is not less than it is a 10 years back. Even up to these 10 years, after every anniversary time, I got a call from them. I got a mail from them. We are giving some discount, how they are maintained. This is the thing is in using Journey. With that, we can do it. Suppose in the database, my data is in their data extension or it is a subscriber list. There is some anniversary date in their motive. When that date is matching, that is event is matching this event. Event is matching, then it is sending, but it is annually once, but till it is working. Understand? Not only my data is there, they have lots of data, but how they're identifying individual. Because there is some campaign planning, because it is a naturally they try to reach to a couple because of that they should purchase something during anniversary. This is one of the good example of Journey Builder implementation. Is it clear? Yes, and a marketer design and automate campaigns that guide customers through a series of interactions with your brand. Because you're not a single interaction earlier. What you have seen, it is sending mail, this one interaction. Now it is I can set up how many notifications. At least I want to suppose I want to change a customer, not lifetime, but I can change a customer 3-4 times. Then I can set it that configuration. It is not possible for manually. It is for a one to customers is possible manually, but if it is a lags around customers, you need to do it through tools. Yes, Ankit. The Journey Builder is a multi-channel communicates seamlessly across email, SMS, push notifications, ads, learning pages, and apps that your customers get the information in the place. Responsive. Is this a tell us the customer journey based on real-time event like purchase, mobile apps downloads, reading an email, or close service cases? Adaptive, continually, and just customer path to their current and predicted behavior. Which kind of event today? All big giant events like Amazon, Flipkart, they try to track the customer behavior. Why they're moving, why they're going to weekends, why they're going to. Because of that, then because they're tracking your movement. Because they are also tracking your location. Source. Yes, definitely you will notice. The moment you will be land up, suppose in Bangalore airport, you will get lots of SMS. You have not informed anybody that you are coming to Bangalore. But the moment you are landing in Bangalore airport and then it will give lots of SMS to you. Because they are tracking your locations even without your support, without your hardness. That's the reason today's business are that level of intelligence business. It is the utility of the journey builder. I'm really struggling the ways, at least on R it is moving legs. It's very slow for you. It's moving very slow. Here in Journey we learn. Usually we should start with Journey Builder and then only go with the Automation Studio, or that is different and this is different. No, it's connected. Will be gradually when it master will be understand the all are. There is some connections to that. Here what are the menu single sign saying this is again transaction folder. First in on top. It is an events. In Journey, what are the sources? It is a history. Last 30 days, part of the in last 30 days. All activities are here. Analytics overview. Last 24 hours. Last 24 hours. What is the activities? These are created by students therein. This is the day. These are not only we are using. There are many. It has been purchased by. Many people as a dental. That's the people said using it. Template. This is how it looked like. Let us come on. This is something. Here first is the source. Sources are because data extension is the source. Data is there. From that data, suppose you want to send me, not to send me, but me you send past the men. Then again you want to wait another 1 day. Again, you want to send another second alert. Again, because think about banking, MMI. If I do not pay the stipulated debt, then what will happen? Back to send. Bank will send it. One of the motivation. Again another few days, you can tell. Send notification. Again another few days, then they will be initially 2 days time. Because customer support they do not take on. because some will do negative reaction or something. That's the reason they initially try to do digital process but not successful happen after. Manual communication is the last option. If anybody defaulted in the bank, demon eye, what happened? It will send some notification at least 1 month, 2 months up. They will not call what? 1 month. Not one, because 1 month they will be sent all digital notification through SMS through. Well, you are the default. You are the default pay. You immediately avoid penalty. They will be create more care about the your penalty is much high. These things. But if the problem solved, then they are relaxed because too many people. Communications is required, also investment of the human resource. It's a every employee or customer telecolors. They are also costly and also there's a lot of investment. The things will be 90% support 80%. What happened through notification by a company invest because this pool on time they will be set up the system and this notification system. It will work year after year. But if a manual, if a person, company build an employee, 6 months after employee will be leave. 1 year employee can leave. But the things again need to be turned again. Investment is where is high. Investment is because based upon city employee need to be the salary. Where is the bigger investment? Bigger investment definitely in human risk. Automation can reduce the cost of it or version. This looks exactly like the automation studio. This is like, but there is definitely a difference. Yes, from where it comes, but this is this icon we have chosen from Automation Studio. From there, this is a template. We will do it. Yes, you do notice in the left side. It has a part of the section to detect be familiar. Next day we'll go for more depth. Part of the sections here, left side. Entry source activities. Flow control advertising. Customer updates, sales and service cloud. These are the all sections are here. If I go to here, just go to the next slide. Activities. What are the activities? And message advertising flow control, customer updates, sales and service cloud. Message advertising flow control, customer updates, sales and service cloud. If I go to tool, this is inside activities in. These are the activities in activities part of the chain message, advertising flow, control and customer updates and service sales and service cloud. Just notice in the left side part of the activities in Journey Builder message, advertising, flow control, customer updates, sales and service cloud. If I go to here, messages, advertising, flow control, customer updates, sales and service cloud. You can note down it. This is fine. Yes, I get that. I note down. Yes, I get completed. Next journey setting will do it. You can delete contact entity default event Kubernetes. This is the very important things you can work out. This is the what is the. We have done a little bit Automation Studio, but again we do. But Automation Studio last day we have done. But what is there? Two things are different. You need to know. This is the difference. You can write it. One time you would like it to go in your store, in your brain. You can write it. Difference between Automation Studio and Journey Builder. Right. Yes, I get it. We can discuss what it is. Automation Studio is an activity-centered tool which allows markets to perform tasks without any manual intervention or a scheduled trigger basis. Think about last day, we have done it. We have done is SQL query. Yes, SQL query. We have set a schedule and it is happening. But the thing is, Journey Builder is a contact-centered tool. It is an activity setting some internal operations. Purpose we have setting operation. Journey Builder is a contact-centered tool which allow market to execute activities only eligible contact based on the interaction and criteria based. We are setting some criteria. We will set some suppose. If a person sitting in Bangalore, then these things will happen. If a person sitting in Delhi, these things will be happen. Based, we are setting some criteria. It is in Journey Builder. And Automation Studio supports data extract. In data extract means last day what we have done. It was one data extension table. We have created an automated query. We have stored it that every time. Suppose outside data will be come and stored in a data extension table. Am I? From here I want to use because that table it will send automatically another data extension table from where will be sent. These automations data extract even file transfer. File transfer means suppose today is when the inter-system will be bigger. It is not your SFMO there will be. They will be feed by data. Some file transfer protocol, some other source, that source it will bring the data. It will be managed that the data is stored again, another data extension. These are the new things. It is more related internal configures, internal automation. But Journey Filter is the customer. Oh, it will be choice. Suppose if Amazon want to try to your capacity, bank power. They initially thought suppose one day one person. I have purchased one person is a Mac phone from my character to Amazon. Does it means I have a capacity? No, maybe I do not have capacity to purchase a Mac phone. But I have purchased one for other person only. If I have a capacity, I can do the frequently high costly things. For my Apple. Then they turn. But suddenly one day I have purchased it, maybe even they will choose. This person is purchasing these items, this category, elite category item frequently. Or it is annual. If it is annually, once suddenly it may be others help or any purpose. It is a checking all time your pattern behavior. Those are the things part of the optimize. Those things will be happen in journey with that. This is an internal data of internal verifications. All the things is the case. Filter, data transfer. Those are the things will be happen using Automation Studio. Automation Studio is the best option. We had highly complex segmentation across a high volume data and from multiple sources. It is based on to create a highly complex segmentation of high volume. It's meant to manage the data because your system need data. You are your subscriber or you keep your system the moment a company. Suppose a new company, McClelland, they want to suppose their many years suppose doing other system, other CRM tool for marketing. Today, they thought I want to do use SMC. Those things will be done by Automation Studio. Data is set up, everything is set up. Now customers need to judge that pattern, their behavior, their one-to-one. A key customers. How does that behavior run on customers? What is their likes, dislikes? Personalization, those things, then it will come. Journey builder. Yes, Automation Studio cannot directly retrieve or push data into Salesforce. Sales, and it is Journey Builder. Can Automation Studio in this normal Salesforce? It has a Sales Cloud. Service Cloud. Automation Studio cannot directly retrieve or push data into Salesforce. Sales or Service Cloud Journey Builder can use Salesforce data. Journey Builder that can use Salesforce data directly to send images or SMS or any other purpose and can push data to Salesforce as well There is another, you can note down it. Journey status and contacted journey. Journey data comes from an empty source of journey. When we are empty source, when we are creating journey builder, yes, data extension is a source working as an empty source. Journey data comes from empty source of journey, but contact data comes from attribute groups or population linked to the contact model. The moment you have created the system and you have created journey data remains constant in the entire journey. A system takes a snapshot of the journey data in the time of journey activation, the moment you are creating a one journey. Your data source is there and use the same snapshot in the entire. The journey is the same because you are creating the rules. Next, it will be much more clear. It will go up on your head, no problem. Contact data is a live data and it's from active groups. You can note down this bill journey. This is another important journey, status journey. Status journey would always be in any of the following status. It may be the moment we will activate it. Journey will be activated. Suppose it is you are setting some campaign. It is because journey is related to campaign. You are doing some special campaign during Christmas time. Again, you have to wait for that kind of a special campaign next year. You can keep template. You can save it. It will be pause state or stop state. But when next year it will become over, then you can run it. It is a status is it can accept new content. It is a running state on just stop state journey in the status, cannot accept any report and reject all the context, if any of the time stopping the journey. When it is running, then it will be, it's like a highly speed car. When it is moving, it cannot pick up the passenger that day. When it running, it will do not pick the passenger. It's not possible. During running, it will be not. Modification not possible. I mean, stop and post are not same, they are different. We can stop and pause. Stop and pause. Pause means it is just temporary. Pause means you can look, I'm sharing this thing, I can pause it. But again, stop means I'm closing the thing for temporary, and stop it is a totally pause, means just idle states. Pause means idle states. But stop means it is a stop. Application that time stops. It is out of memory. It is from RAM. We do in our laptop in sleep mode. Sleep means still computer is running but majority of the functions are that time are idle. The moment again you are clicking, then pause to its idle state. But when you are stopped, then again you need to restart. Yes, you need to restart the system, and when it is running, it means it is active, it is performing some service. It is giving some service. In none of the campaigns or modification cannot be done. You have mentioned that modifications are not possible during the things is when the journey starts. That time we grab the data first. That time it's take the. It is a because it source. It takes the consume the data. These are the data we are sending. Definitely we will go through more details, some more information. That means changes can be made and safe to activate the journey data. It cannot accept new records. Draft means it is a safe to activate the journey data and it will be new records. We can. One thing we can stop today here because others they have not joined. Because it will be much more progress. It will be challenge for them. Up to this level we can stop. Tomorrow we go for. You another, only one slide, then I'm sad just you can. The journey version can take photo or you can note down whatever suitable for you. What it is doing. Journey versions tomorrow. We are not, we'll go for handsome. A new draft version enables you to make changes. If the existing running version, you cannot make changes in the running journey. Generally many cases before sending mail, but we created draft version. Whenever a new version is created, it is always in a draft status. Only one version of journey can be running status at any point. Suppose you are creating one things, but you have written multiple versions. In general, when you will be entered, you will notice there is a multiple versions you can create. But add is one campaign. You can create 4 versions, but at a time one version will draft. At a time, multiple version you are not executed. Only one version will be executed. Thank you. You cannot reactivate a stopped version. The version which is stopped, it's a reactivate. Contact that previously existed, the journey, are not admitted to the new version. Contact it's the exit. Exit. There is an exit will be noticed. That is exit journey are not admitted to the new version. Tomorrow it will be clear when you go for practical. While you delete an inactive version, all its goal and performance status is permanently removed. Always activate the new version of journey without stopping current version. But if there is a records are in the running journey. This is the up to theory. Tomorrow we go for handsome. Then it will be exactly clear step by step. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.